This is my 7-week ultrasound, and even though it was supposed to be the first time that we heard our baby's heartbeat, we actually heard it earlier completely by surprise because a few days before this, I had to go in for an emergency ultrasound because I was spotting. And even though everything turned out okay, the fear never really leaves you, especially after IVF. I always thought that once I heard our baby's heartbeat, all of my worries would disappear. But seeing my baby and hearing their little heartbeat is the best feeling ever. Our little one is healthy, growing right on track, and officially the size of a blueberry. I can't believe it. A tiny little blueberry. The nausea has definitely kicked in, and it's not just a few moments a day, it's all day nonstop. But it's all worth it, and I'll take every bit of it as long as my baby is healthy and growing. If you're also in your IVF era, follow as I share every step of my IVF journey.